Hello everyone, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video I will show you how to fix volume changes by itself on iPhones after iOS 17 update. The slider jumps randomly higher or lower without using the volume buttons or touching the bar. Don't worry, you are not the only one in this situation. Now I will show you how to fix iPhone volume changing on its own. In most of the cases, automatic volume change is caused by a third-party accessory or a Bluetooth device like headphones, earpiece or smart speaker. Now let's begin. First solution is disconnect Bluetooth audio devices. First of all, open settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Make sure that no headset or media playing device is connected. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Adjust the volume using the sliders. And also note that if a Bluetooth headset is connected, then you will adjust the media playback volume for that device. When the device disconnects, because you move out of the Bluetooth range, the volume level will return to the levels your iPhone had before connecting to the device. Now we'll see second solution. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. To restart your device, first of all go to settings. Here tap on general. Now scrolling down and tap on shutdown. Now drag this slide to right side to power off your iPhone. First, shut your iPhone down and power it back on, or use the force restart to get a fresh start. Now I will show you third solution, and the third solution is turn off attention awareness on your device. Some users have managed to fix this random volume adjustment by disabling this. To do this, first of all go to settings, then tap on Face ID and passcode. And here you will find attention aware features. Simply turn toggle on next to this option. Now the fourth solution is check reduce loud sounds. There is one more setting that can automatically cause volume to lower automatically on iPhone. Now to check reduce loud sounds, first of all go to settings on your device. Next here tap on sounds and haptics. Then here select headphone safety. And finally here you will find reduce loud sounds option. Simply turn toggle off next to reduce loud sounds. So that's how easily you can fix the volume changes by itself on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Hopefully this video will helpful for all of you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.